Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by sizing up the problem. Look for flashing, bubbles, or thin lips on the cured resin and mark them. Next, remove loose material with a quick pass of 80-120 grit sandpaper to create a keyed surface for repair. While you sand, clear dust with 90% isopropyl. This ensures adhesion. Once the surface is dull and clean, mix a small batch of epoxy at the manufacturer's ratio. Mix slowly to limit air. Make sure to use a disposable cup and a fresh stir stick. Now you'll rebuild the edge with controlled layers. Spread thin coats of mixed epoxy or a resin putty into gaps, pressing to eliminate trapped air. Once a layer reaches a tacky firmness, add the next. This builds strength without excessive heat or shrink. After final cure, rough shape the profile with a scraper or file, then refine with 220, 320, and 400 grit paper to blend the repair into surrounding resin. Make sure to keep motions aligned with the edge for a clean contour. Finish by wet sanding progressively to 800-1500 grit to remove scratches, then polish with a fine compound until the sheen matches the original piece. Apply a thin gloss coat of resin if clarity is needed. Pour gently to avoid new bubbles. If you see cloudy haze after curing, don't panic. Lightly sand the area back to 800-1000 grit and apply another thin coat, or wipe with 90% isopropyl to remove surface contamination. Make sure to allow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.